You're welcome to Math City Games, the first stage of approximation 2. Here we want to show you another method of approximating, and we'll begin by showing you approximations due to nearness. Now, to approximate to the nearest x, simply consider counting in the multiples of x. If you're going to approximate to the nearest 10, consider counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you are going to approximate to the nearest 100, consider counting 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and so on. Same way, if you are going to approximate to the nearest 0.1, the multiples of 0.1 are 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on. If you approximate to the nearest 5, consider 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Consider 7, 14, 21, 28 if you are approximating to the nearest 7. And if you are approximating to the nearest 0.5, consider 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and so on. So now, if you check the explanation page, you'll understand that multiples of a number are actually generated either by continuous adding of the number in a sequence or by multiplying the number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So that's just it. Now let's go on and start the game. What numbers should be considered when approximating to the nearest 4? Sure, you should consider 4, and then 4 plus 4, which is 8, and then 8 plus 4, which is 12, and then 12 plus 4, which is 16. So this is the correct answer. What numbers should be considered when approximating to the nearest 0.01? Of course, to the nearest 0.01, if you add 0.01 to 0.01, you get 0.02, and if you keep on, you get 0.03 and 0.04. This is the right answer. What numbers should be considered when approximating to the nearest 0.3? Of course, 0.3 is here. If we take the multiples of this, we keep adding 0.3 to this, we'll have 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, and so on, and this is just correct. Next question is this: what numbers should be considered when approximating to the nearest 11? To the nearest 11, multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44. Just keep adding 11, or you just keep multiplying by the next number, like 11 times 1, 11 times 2, 11 times 3, 11 times 4, and so on. And lastly, what numbers should be considered when approximating to the nearest 2? Of course, multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the right answer. You can check that you've done a good job, and when you're done with that, you go to the next level by hitting this button, and then you go to the next stage, which already is a yellow bed stage, by hitting this button. Happy view. Thanks for watching.